Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on the 2020 Toyota Sienna. This vehicle is featured in the SE trim. We have our white metallic paint and gunmetal gray alloy rims. We also have a rear privacy tint, V6 engine, and heated seats. Now moving on to the interior of the Sienna, we'll take a look at the door panel, which features a soft touch black foam and black leather with gray stitching. We also have a door handle, close handle, window controls, which are all automatic and power, lock and unlock, and then mirror adjustment with a rear window lock. Below we have our speaker and storage. And on the side of the seat we have power seat adjustment and lumbar support. Moving off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our traction control, as well as our power door on or off for the rear. Our gauge cluster. One thing I missed actually was the storage compartment with coin holder just off to the side of the power door. Then we have our gauge cluster with screen in the middle and digital speedometer. Controls for that screen are found off to the right side of the steering wheel. We also have our front collision alert and lane departure warning. Volume controls and radio controls with voice commands. Steering wheel is wrapped in black leather with grips. And we have our cruise control stalk located just beneath the windshield wiper stalk. Gear select. Infotainment screen, you can see we have our home, menu, audio, and map option. And we have the navigation app installed, and we also have our phone applications off to the side. This infotainment screen also comes with Sirius XM. And we have our integrated reverse camera, dual zone climate controls, and rear climate controls. So we have the 3 zones in the vehicle. Below that we have our front heated seat controls, as well as a USB and SD card slot, and 12-volt charging port, storage underneath, and then our fold-out 2 cup holders, storage in the ground, and in the middle area we also have 2 cup holders, and then our small center console area, plenty of storage room underneath. The front seats are featured in black patent leather with gray stitching and perforated leather in the lower portion, and again they're heated front seats. On the rearview mirror we have 3 garage door openers and our direction. Above that we have a sunglass holder and a rear mirror for the rear passengers. There is still the cover on that from when you originally buy the vehicle, so that's why it's a little bit hazy. Over that we have our dome light settings, as well as our power liftgate controls and doors. Now back onto the exterior of the Sienna, we can take a closer look at our gunmetal gray alloy rims with Toyota badge sensor caps. We have our paint matched mirror caps and chrome door handles, rear privacy tint with sunshades, and then our roof rails and paint matched fin and tent up top. Down to the back we have our SE badging, liftgate. Inside we have plenty of storage room. We also have our fold down bench option, then our button overhead to close. So now moving on to the rear interior of the Sienna, we'll go ahead and step inside the back. Once in, we have our little power close button off to the side, press that, and the door will close automatically for us. We also have one of those buttons in the front that I showed, just above the rear mirror. It works for both sides, and then we also have on the roof our rear climate controls, super easy to access just because they're right above, easily within an arm's reach. On the door panels themselves, we have a manual slide for the door, as well as automatic windows. You can see, which is fairly rare on a minivan to have rear sliding windows. Then we also have sunshades for the back. Slide up like that. Good alternative for tint. Storage down below. In back of the front seats there's leather magazine holders and a hook for storage of clothes or other small accessories. Then we have a couple of USB ports and a 3-prong outlet. Under that we have 2 cup holders. You can see plenty of legroom here in the far rear. We also have the front seats featured in black leather with perforated leather, same as the front. And our nice fold-down armrests. This whole system here does move along the ground here. You can see the seat belts are mounted on the center area with 2 cup holders and storage. You can just pull the whole setup here of the 2 seats, the 2 bucket seats forward, so we can get the rear passengers in easier or just for more legroom. The back we can see is a 60-40 split bench. It's the same combination of perforated and patent leather. And those seats, as you can see, do lay flat as well. 2 cup holders off to either side of the vehicle. And plenty of storage in the far rear. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2020 Toyota Sienna. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.